Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth.